El Jackal, Guillermo RigondeauX.
Champion of the world, Jackal, Quadro Alas, CASIMERO.
Tuloy na ang bakbakang Guillermo RigondeauX kontra CASIMERO ngayong paparating na Agosto 2021. Dating 2 times Olympic gold medalist, 2 division world champion at hawak-hawak ngayon ng Cuban boxer ang WBA regular bantamweight title, habang si CASIMERO ay 3 division world champion at hawak-hawak naman ngayon ang WBO bantamweight title. Kanino ka, El Jackal o Quadro Alas? Muli nating sulyapan mga pre ang knockout highlights ng kani-kanilang laban.
Sort of prospects is a southpaw. He steal portions of the round. He will slip there. And again, you can see RigondeauX does a good job. See what I'm talking about there with RigondeauX? Improve and work on it, as I said in the top. And they have a good counter punch as he steps back and creates a little gap.
Unbelievable skill out of RigondeauX. Step back and the counter punch.
And you see right there, perfectly placed. Just finished talking about that. RigondeauX doesn't want to waste anything. Well, he didn't.
May pacing lang. Kumukuha ng bagong hangin. Kumukuha ng bagong hangin. Pakataw! Yung kapagkat na yung malupit.
Yan yung suntok eh.
Kaya nga medyo si CASIMERO umatras na rin eh, no?
Another nice uppercut. Oh,
Wala na.
Yep.
Wala na.
Yun na.
Wala na.
Acted up. He goes down and takes a knee.
In other words, he has quit in a fight before.
Did I miss something, Teddy? He didn't get hit. He took a knee and he got counted.
Try to use his legs for defense. No better.
Will pounce on somebody.
Yes, he will.
He'd rather counter, but he will do it.
He will come forward. Right now, you can see RigondeauX has not learned how to do that too much. And
Tough
right
body
now,
shot, and now...
Engancho por parte del colombiano hacia los brazos del boxeador de Filipinas y la derecha otra.
Tira el colombiano con otro knockdown
Tiene ese problema Canchila.
en el 11º asalto.
Tiene ese problema si se confía demasiado. Ahí está metiendo la derecha. El mundo del organismo.
Another series of left hands.
RigondeauX may be the one who came all the way out there and he steered Noriega.
Round number 1. That counter right hook was an example. And there's a straight left that got
RigondeauX with that jab. That is a guy who really sets up his offense. Is a southpaw. That's only one fight on 11 days' notice.
and a body shot scores a knockdown right away. It was a big...
Romero, el buqueño, era bravísimo, pero no a este nivel ya. Con la derecha CASIMERO, atención, izquierda de CASIMERO, y viene el conteo. Estaba mal, puede venir el knockout. Otra derecha más y otra izquierda, se va al piso Lazarte. Está knockout, atención Filipinas. Está knockout Lazarte, vaya con la izquierda, lo tiene con la derecha, otra derecha más a la cabeza. Está knockout Lazarte, atención el árbitro. Atención, ha ganado el filipino para la pelea. Correcto.
But not two. Oh, it's another of those.
He's got the power, he's got the variation.
Beautiful boxer.
Those body shots are absolutely devastating.
Another left hand and down goes Big Bang. Rigondeaux's left hand is lethal.
No, I think he doesn't, Jimmy, he's very badly hurt here.
He was hurt at least 3 times in that round. He won't be hurt anymore. because it's all over. Willie Casey, great hollow, has been sensational in this first round.
Continues here in round 4, and a good left uppercut to the body for a net run round. And look, when he fights loose, oh no! It looks like he missed. I tell you what, man, and he's after him. And the Philippines is trying to take out a year of frustration or after what happened in Thailand, and he's taking out net run round.
Good right to the body.
Gonna be hold on, and he won't be denied. And a good body shot, he's down again.
To the body.
Whoa! And the champion is down.
Up out of his seat.
And he don't look like he's gonna get up. Is he gonna get up? No, the fight was waved off by Tony Reeks.
RigondeauX lands another straight left hand and pushes Ramos back again. Ramos against the ropes, in some trouble. Another left hand. They are raining down on Ramos.
And this is what happens when you're a natural counterpuncher. You sit back and you wait. Sometimes you wait too long and you get hit with a shot.
And the Ramos is, got a problem, and now here comes RigondeauX.
Walang pinapakita explosiveness, and I felt down goes.
Ito si Casimero, will he go in for the another uppercut?
That's it.
A round 1 knockout para dito kay Casimero. He smells blood. This time puts a combination together. That time with the left, with the right, and again he knocks him down.
You know, the referee should stop this fight, partner.
And there you go,
Tailing points, accumulating points.
And there you see that power. I mean,
another great straight left hand, and Kennedy buckled. He buckles again on another one. And Tion Kennedy may have trouble staying on his feet here in the first round if he keeps taking the kinds of shots that RigondeauX is putting on him now. Kennedy fires back. Russell Moore was watching. Fascinating the way he set up the up. Remarkable right there. Another combination on up. Knockdown number 4. Everyone
been set before. It's not a feint. He's not tricking the guy.
Kaya konting ingat na lang dito. Ayun na naman yung kaliwa, kumonekta.
Ang pwedeng gawin dito ni Casimero.
Tapang nito! Ayaw talaga tumumba, Gino.
Ano ba meron to sa Algero na to?
Ano ba kinain ito ngayong araw? Oh, na! Oh, Diyos ko, wala na. Tinigil na. That is it.
León le ha propinado su único knockout en 52 segundos. Impresionante pelea la revisada. ¡Ey! Hay un cabezazo, Humberto, ahí peligroso. Cuidado. Muy atento, tiene que estar. Fue con intención, totalmente accidental. Timing. Watch the hits.
Sí,
ahí chocan los guantes. ¡Ey! ¡Cuidado! Combinación impresionante de Guillermo el Jackal RIGONDEAUX. Lo sorprende después de chocar el guante dentro de reglamento. Lo conecta en 2 ocasiones. Está muy mareado. Y fue todo para Sot Lugnanan.
Por eso están peleando pues por todo. Sobre todo el filipino. Sacando muchos golpes. Que también Armando Santos tiene lo suyo, ya lo manda para atrás.
Recuperando Santos. Por eso está tratando ahí de conectar sus mejores golpes para finalizar este play. Durísimo el betón de Sullivan, manda la lona. El segundo asalto y vamos a ver la recuperación por parte de Santos. Aquí el filipino comienza con ganchos abajo, ópera la cara. ¡Gol! ¡Se la lona Santos!
Yo pienso que se acabó la pelea, Daniel. Samuel, pienso que ya no se va a recuperar. Está con muchas dificultades, la cobra Santos.
Proud product of the Everton Red Triangle Gym. Himself to be overawed, can't allow himself to be intimidated, so awkward.
Practically cheating. Good left hand there from RigondeauX. Goes direct from where it is. Good left hand from Jackal.
And here's the left hand. No, that's
different. He gets caught right in the right place in the bridge to jaw. It's heartbreaking for Jackal.
Que da Ramírez. Se va la lona. Venenosa. Poco mejor que el campeón del mundo, pero va por él. Le está repitiendo. Esto se va a terminar. Va a la lona y le van a dar el continuar el pleito. Riposte el mexicano que ya no paró de distancia. Una izquierda tremenda, se le mueve la humanidad, lo que sigue lanzando. Lo dan.
Ha sido para el campeón.
Se acabó.
Пытался поймать Ригонда.
Еще раз уже пытался промахнуть.
Левый снизу попал. И левый сбоку донес. И это нокаут.
That he's the champion. You just knew this was going to be a war.
Team has seen enough.
Whoa.
Left hook, RigondeauX with the overhand left. Clean shot there. It's hard to believe that a fighter with such an emotionless mask in all of his fights can fight emotionally. You've got to fight to convince the opponent that he has eye socket there. One of those RigondeauX uppercuts or wide left hands. Playing with the right hook. That one looked like it may have stunned. Oh, and Amagasa goes down. By what RigondeauX is showing him that he can't muster the courage. His forms of
skip out of people all the time. These guys are fighters, but at the same time, Amagasa looks devastated. He hasn't lasted to the end, but he should definitely be proud of his performance against the fighter.
Oh, Casimero got it. He's got him with a bot now. He's getting hits. He's got him with a body shot. Was it?
No, on the chin it was. It was a short right hook to the chin.
Look at him. He's allowing it to continue. But can Casimero take him out here? It happens so quickly. Tete still looks unsteady. He's got to buy some time here and make Casimero miss. Casimero needs to pick his punches and he can't find the clean shot and he falls down.
Short of it.
Referee asking, is he okay? Casimero wants to finish it right here, right now, and finish it he has. The title changes hands in sensational fashion.
World titles, and look, he's going for the first round knockout here. Back to the head argument. Him. Just in a row. Stop it if he gets hit with that much more. Oh, my goodness.
He's hurt there.
Yeah.
Oh, he's hurt.
And Seha is down!
Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento, question at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping Termi.